Hi everyone. I'm sorry, I'm dorking out right now. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited right now. I don't know if y'all can feel the excitement in me, but I'm happy to be back talking to y'all, and I got a new product that was sent to me by a company. I've been doing things and it's feeling official, you know, so go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like, all that, share, comment, subscribe, like, comment, share, comment, subscribe, all of that. So let's jump right into the video because I'm super excited. I want to open my package already because I've been waiting like all this time to do this makeup and everything so that I can open the package and show y'all what we're about to be working with. So I end up talking to a company and they sent me their highlighter palette. So basically what I did was my full face, and I'm going to be finishing it off with the highlighter palette that they sent to me. Yeah, so anyways, let's just jump right into it like I said before. So sent it, actually they told me they was gonna send it yesterday and I was gonna get it on the 20th, and I'm like, today is July 20th, but yesterday it was July 19th, and I'm like, how y'all gonna send it and it's gonna come on the 20th? Like, that's tomorrow. That's like next day shipping, y'all. Like, it's here. It got here earlier. It was sent through Amazon. So yeah, like, they was serious. It got here on the 20th. Now the name of the company is Lifus. You guys, sorry if I pronounced the name of your company wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. Lifus. And yeah, so let's get into it. I waited just for y'all to unbox it. And yes, this was given to me by this company. I did not pay for it, so full disclaimer there. This is so cute. Like, why is it so cute? Oh my gosh. Highlighter palette, illuminator makeup palette, and it's new. See, new. And let's open it up. No, I'm like, not even, like, all you need is love. Y'all know me and my big old heart, so I really do like this. I guess the name of the palette is All You Need Is Love. Yeah, we need some highlighter. Now, I usually only use like one highlighter, so this is going to be very interesting for me. So this one is Lovers, Primavera, My Heart, and For You. I'll go ahead and kind of let the camera do its thing. To be honest, when I use highlighter, I don't use a brush or anything. I haven't found a brush that I really like with highlighter, and I don't know if this is weird or what y'all think, but I just use my finger because that's how I like to, like, that's what looks best to me when I highlight. I usually put some on my brow bone. I put some on the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and then if I'm feeling real highlightery, or I don't know, we gonna stick with highlightery, I might put some on this, or I might put some like here. I don't know what, like the top of my lip. I don't, is that called something? If that have a name, I don't know what it is. Since I am not going to be using all of these, obviously, what I'm going to do for you guys is especially for you, I'm going to like try and highlight on my hand, the back of my hand, so you can see all four of the highlighters. So I'm gonna just start with Lovers, which is the lightest one. So it's kind of like really gold. It kind of flaked off a little bit, but that's okay. Here's one. Wow, that's a lot. I did pick up a lot, so maybe next time I won't use that much. But the first is Lovers, but I'm doing a different finger for each one. This is Primavera. Actually, that one's pretty smooth. Oh, I like these. These are really nice. I usually use like one highlighter. Ooh, I like Primavera. This is My Heart. And then I'll recap with you. I'm actually really liking these highlighters. Like, Lovers kind of peeled off kind of weird at first, but it went on smooth. I think I just dipped my finger in there too hard. So that one's like, for me, it's like a kind of modest, like, I don't want to do too much highlighter. And I haven't played with highlighters. Like, I just have one. Actually, I have two. And I like using one. They're both from the same company. But I like using one. It highlights way better for me. And I just kind of stuck with that. So this is For You on my thumb. I normally only use that one. Oh, that one's actually super bright too, like out there. I'm gonna go ahead and choose which one I'm gonna use. Before I go, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me, Ordinary Opulence, on Instagram, same as this channel. I'll see y'all there. I'll be right back. Y'all, we about to glow up. Like, we about to glow up. No, let me stop. Okay, so I was playing with them a little bit. I'm gonna go through all four, show y'all one more time. I really still haven't decided. It's hard for me to decide. Maybe I'll just, I didn't want to do that, but maybe I'll just use like two because I really couldn't decide between two. So here I got Lovers. Here I got Primavera. Here is My Heart, which is not standing out that much on me. And then here is For You. So one more time, that's Lovers, Primavera, My Heart, and For You. And I really like them. So Lovers is really bright. So I was a little scared of Lovers, but with that being said, I want to try it. Let's just do it. So I'm gonna go ahead. Probably picked up too much, but let's see how this goes. Whew. So this is really how I do this, and I'm gonna just put the extra over there. Wow, I'm feeling real glowy. And that's basically, like, that's how I do it. And it just went right on in. How? Just glowed up though. Like, now I did put a little bit over there already. I'm going to try, yeah, because I was feeling Primavera too. Ooh. This is Primavera on the brow bone up here. Oh, y'all. I knew I liked Primavera. See? I'm over here playing around. To keep the brow looking the same, I'm going to do Primavera again on this side. Y'all, if y'all have y'all highlighter brushes, feel free. This is, like I said, just how I do mine. You do you, boo. Let's just stick with it and go ahead and try something different. Down here, let's do my little, this is My Heart. Yeah, this is My Heart. Go ahead and, y'all, I can't decide. Like, they all have a little bit of different look to them, but they're all very cute to me. Lastly, this is For You. That one I feel like just kind of like blended in for me. For you, it might not do that, but for me, For You, oh my gosh, it's called For You. Yeah, I think I changed my mind. I think I'm feeling Primavera. So I'm going to put Primavera on my cheeks. I didn't forget about my cheeks. So when I put highlighter on the cheeks, that's what I do. I just, and right on top of where I contoured already. Oh, okay. Okay. Primavera. Hold on, I want a little more right there when I smile. And sorry, the sun is like going down and I got all my lights up, but just in case the sun is like, I mean the lighting is changing, I'm sorry for that. I like it. It's not like super bright like Lovers is. Lovers is more like bright or whatnot, but I really do like it. And put a little bit of Lovers on top just to kind of see it is a little brighter and it really makes you glow. Lovers, can you see the difference? There is beauty in symmetry. I play too much, y'all. Okay, but yeah, like, so that's that highlighter palette for y'all. I really do like it, and I am gonna play with it some more. Again, this is from Lifeist, and the information will be in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing from them. They sent this to me for free. They're not paying me, but they did send it to me for free to try out. If you're interested in purchasing or more about the company, like I said, that information will be down below. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I will be back to y'all with a lot more content. You know, I'm just getting there. Y'all know how life is. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in my next one. Ordinary Opulence, same on Instagram. Follow me there. Subscribe here. And I don't know, y'all messes with your girl. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See y'all in a bit.